Hey guys, so watch me as I unravel my hair after my blow drying. My hair has grown so long, so full, so healthy. Earlier this year we had a goal to retain length and also get more volume, and I am so happy to announce to us that I have actually achieved that hair goal. And then across my page you would see a lot of things that we did. We took care of the hair from the inside out, and I was consistent in using Jellyfrost products all through. And this is what my hair looked like in 2023 when I blew dried my hair. That was August 2023. And now in 2024, as at December, my hair is just amazing. I'm so happy.